Hello everyone, my name is Cinderella and today I present my product brand called AuraGlow, a cosmetic line specially made for your woman and beginner in makeup. AuraGlow is a local cosmetic brand that focuses on safe, beginner-friendly and makeup. Our product is designed to be safe for sensitive skin, alcohol-free, and affordable. For the packaging is super cute. Our target customers are teen girls, students, and parents who want safe cosmetics for their children. These are our current products: Aura Berry Lips Tint and Glow Soft Loose Powder. We're planning to launch more hands-on items soon. Customers can order through Shopee or DM. Use on Instagram. We accept WhatsApp wallet and bank transfer. Thank you for listening. If you're curious, feel free to try AuraGlow. Let's glow together.